Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use mouse cursor and screen recording time on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my mobile phone, and for your information, I'm using Samsung Galaxy phone, so this tutorial is especially for Samsung Galaxy user. Okay, and on the Samsung Galaxy phone guys, we can use assistant menu to show cursor, mouse cursor. You can activate this assistant menu on your Samsung Galaxy phone. With this assistant menu, we'll be able to get quick access to some items from here. I'm gonna click on that, and as you can see, we will access all these features easily and quickly. Okay, and now it's time to show you how we can activate this assistant menu to show this cursor. If you want to activate the assistant menu, you can go to the setting app, and you're going to scroll down and until you find the accessibility. Okay, and go to the interaction and dexterity, and here you'll be able to activate this assistant menu. Okay, just click on this button to activate it. Okay, mine is activated guys, so I just need to use it to show the cursor. I'm gonna click on the assistant menu, and then we can simply click on cursor, and then this is the result, and we'll be able to customize the speed and also the size of this cursor. If you want to do that, you can click on this setting icon. Okay, then go to the cursor size and you can choose medium or large. I'm choosing the medium, and then you can also change the cursor speed. Okay, it's still normal. Alright. And just remember, if you want to get this mouse cursor on your Samsung Galaxy phone, you can go to the setting and activate the assistant menu, and you will be able to use it to show the audience about the step-by-step like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use mouse cursor and screen recording time. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.